Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 5th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound dollar, we have two options. I think this is either making an ABC correction, like a pullback to the last big move down right here, meaning that it would probably go up to a Fibonacci retracement level, turn back down very significantly and continue the downtrend. So if that's true, we would get a break to the downside at a Fibonacci level. If it's not a correction to this last move down, but it's actually continuing the higher time frame uptrend, then it would potentially bounce from Fib levels but never break structure. It would just continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So I would definitely suggest looking for longs, whether it turns out to be an ABC correction, if whether it goes up to a Fibonacci level and then turns back down. If it does do that, then you could definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. If it just keeps on making higher high, higher low, like an impulsive move, then you would just hold on to your longs and continue to look for longs. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.